Dear students, welcome to our class on Micrometeorology of rice advances 3. In this class, we are going to study the influence of weather on rice diseases. Again, I am taking only from my book Principles and Practices of Agricultural Disaster Management. In the back page, I wrote what I said, GDD for pests, heliothermal units are for diseases. That's why I request you kindly subscribe to my channel Agrometeorology Farmers and Rural Development. Why GDD related to pests? Why HTU, heliothermal units, are related to diseases? Now, see, rice crop suffers from three major groups of diseases, namely fungal, bacterial and viral. Of them, the influence of weather on most important three fungal diseases, that is blast, sheath blight and brown leaf spot, and bacterial diseases, bacterial leaf blight, bacterial leaf streak. We are going to study in this class. Now, rice blast. Now, rice blast, the conditions of weather in which rice blast becomes severe is cloudy skies, frequent rain and drizzles for 6 to 7 days favor the development of the particular blast and its severity. Blast spores are present throughout the year in tropics. Damage to dryland rice is more severe than wetland. The disease progresses in low temperatures of night 22 to 23 degrees centigrade, more than 95% of RH, 10 hours of leaf wetness period for 3 to 4 days. Now, this is an interesting thing. You can work on this. Any student can work on this. The next one is the sheath blight. This occurs both in tropics and temperate regions. High temperatures, that means 28 to 32 degrees centigrade, and humidity around 90% for 7 days increase the severity of sheath blight. Disease incidence increases as the plants grow older. Also, frequent rains favor disease development. More common during rainy season than in a dry season. Now, let us go to third one, brown leaf spot. Common in poorly drained soils. The disease spreads by wind. Of course, the spores are blown by wind. That's why it spreads by wind. Delayed onset of southwest monsoon, RH more than 90% for 7 to 8 days favors the spread and development of brown leaf spot. So, these are the blast, sheath blight and brown leaf spot are the fungal diseases most important. Now, let us go to bacterial diseases. Bacterial leaf blight, bacterial leaf streak, STREAK, bacterial leaf blight, BLB, commonly known as high temperatures, 25 to 30 degrees centigrade, humidity during the crop growth for 7 to 8 days increase the incidence. This disease is reported to have, again I am telling you most important, this disease is reported to have reduced Asia's annual rice production by as much as 60, not 60%. That much is the dangerous disease, bacterial leaf blight. Okay, if it is severe, 60% in the reduction yield, it has that negative effect. Now, therefore, this is known as the monsoon disease. This bit will come. This is known as monsoon disease, and the incidence severity is influenced by rainfall and number of rainy days and heavy winds. The last one is bacterial leaf streak, STREAK. What is it? High temperature, 30 to 34 degrees centigrade, and high humidity, 85 to 90% for 8 to 9 days favor the disease development. The bacteria are spread by wind and rain. The spread occurs through rain and irrigation water. So, this is what I would like to share with you. Once again, I request you please subscribe to my channel Agrometeorology Farmers and Rural Development. There, I have covered the basics of pests and diseases, why they occur. So, this is advances 3. So, based on that one, if you study, you get more knowledge. Thank you for your patient hearing.